do you know what's really interesting? Because there's a lot of people, and a lot of people in sort of the business world, they tend to start off first with making money. And I don't think there's a right way of doing it. I think every way is unique for everyone else. Mine was the total opposite. I actually started with sort of that confidence, that happiness and fulfillment, that spiritual growth, that spiritual connection. Then the business stuff started to come. What was your route with that? Did you start off sort of with business and then sort of come across, oh, actually the business making money can help me live life on my own terms? Or was that sort of the intention from the start?
No, because obviously the fitness stuff was purely out of passion. That was like, I did that just because I thought, because again, like this is prior to me having any kind of online business knowledge.
Right.
So I'm just like an outsider looking in. I'm seeing these big fitness influencers.
Yes.
All I'm seeing them doing is vlogging.
Yeah.
Okay, so basically they're just doing what they love and no idea how, but they make it work. So that's how I started as well. I just thought, okay, well, let's just do what I actually enjoy doing, go in the gym, lifting weights, etc., and traveling. And then I started documenting that without any kind of business model or strategy behind it. Right. It was just like, it will come in some way, shape, or form. And then obviously the agency was, with that financial incentive in mind. I did right. I knew it was going to be a vehicle to get me to the next level, where it's truly living life on my own terms. But yeah, it started off purely out of passion.
Wow.
And then
that's interesting.
And then I got my business head screwed on. And then of course, like I said, because I'm good at what I do right now, it's become my passion.
Yes. You've developed a skill that it's like, realistically, anyone that's an incredible business person, they weren't born an incredible business person. They had to learn it. So like you said, you developed that. But that is actually, I absolutely love that. The fact that you said you started with your passion and you don't even do what you started with. Do you know what I mean? But that started what you're doing now. And like that was a stepping stone. Like for anyone listening, all I would encourage you is just that thing that you're passionate about, whether that is playing a violin, like it could be anything, something that you can do. You weren't intentionally like, I'm going to make millions off this and going to do this. You didn't even intentionally know that you were going to run a business through it. You just said, I'm passionate about this.
Yeah.
Let's see where it goes. And that in itself is, I think that's a beautiful thing, because I'm similar with you. I knew nothing, not a thing about editing videos, anything like that. But now I genuinely love YouTube. I genuinely love it. And I've not got loads. I've only got like 3,000 to 300 subscribers or something like that, nearly that. And I've posted loads. I post daily on there now. So I post a lot of videos. But I genuinely enjoy it. I genuinely enjoy making videos. It's something that I've developed a passion because I've learned how to do it. Yeah. But yeah, before you look at one of the first when I tried to make a documentary when I did ayahuasca, and it's the worst thing you'll ever watch in your life. The music's too loud. The music's awful. I keep saying and like it's just dreadful. But it's a building block. And your first Instagram account was the building block, and that's what I want to encourage people to do, is like, don't like have an end goal in mind, but don't like that's it, because it's not gonna be it. Do you know what I mean? Like things change.